solve this problem? Work on this, Christopher, and solve that problem. Probably you gotta extract the information that you need. You need to take the information from there. No.
Or you could do the number line.
I'll ask you for that in a minute. Come on, Noel. Give me a little effort on this. We'll see. Thank you, Mariah, for showing me you're ready and you solved the problem. And Israel. Wow. Very good, Justin. A couple more minutes, or another minute. So what's your jumps and all? Alright. Ooh, Haven, what's the first thing I would do to solve this problem?
Stacking.
I could use stacking. What's the first number that's on top?
764.
What's the next number?
314.
Am I adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
Subtracting. Because, why am I subtracting? How far did she go on the first day?
764 miles.
That's the total miles she went, or the trip is going to be. How many did she travel on the first day?
0.
She traveled 0 and she went to Las Vegas, which was how many miles away?
314.
Right. She went 314 miles on the first day. So that's her first day's travel. So what's 4 take away 4, Ava?
0.
0. 6 take away 1.
5.
5. 7 take away 3.
4.
That was fairly easy. We didn't have to jump and borrow or nothing. 450. Very good. There's another strategy. Yes, Devin. What?
The number line.
Good. We can use the number line. What's the number that goes on the left-hand side?
314.
Okay. 314, and we'll say Las Vegas, so we know.
And then on the other side is 764.
And we'll say
California.
California. Who's tapping their feet and stuff?
They need to go through that. So the first jump we need jump 6 to get to 20.
So it's 320.
And then I jumped 8
getting out the numbers that you need to solve that problem. Don't
Actually,
get caught up on
I
other.
thought of something else.
Yes, Isabel.
So you would just, I just thought of something else. You can also like add, so you could just put 314, and then you can see how much we would need to make it to 764.
So did you use a number line to do that? Or did you just do this?
I was just thinking about it.
14 plus something equals 764.
I would regularly do it in like bottoms. I did this before on homework and so the 4 would need to become a 4, so I would just leave it, so I would just add 0. So the 1 would be a 0.
Okay, so you went this way, 4 1 4.
So then since it's 6 and there's 1, then I would make it a 5.
Okay, and you did this way.
And then the 7, so the 7 and the 5, and I know that 7, take away 3 equals 4, so I just put the 4 there.
Okay, you just did it and subtract it backwards. You can do it that way as well. Yes, David. You could group it. Yeah, it's a little harder to minus than group. Stacking, number line, backward subtraction, that's a good way to solve it. Okay. Everybody needs to turn their workbooks to page 41.
No, I did like one problem and that was it.
Quietly turn your workbooks to page 41. And we're going to talk about the first problem. The first problem has a map on it. And the map shows the Oregon Trail. Okay, this is where back in the 1800s, folks traveled to the west and you traveled on the Oregon Trail to get to their destination. Okay?